Are you looking to have $1 million smile or just sick and tired of seeing yellow teeth each time you look in the mirror? If your answer is yes to any of these questions, you're not alone. Everyone wants to have a gorgeous smile. It's one of those many things you can use to make a first impression. Today many people usually conceal their teeth in photos primarily because they're embarrassed over the yellow appearance of their teeth. Well, it's pretty evident that the tooth whitening is the surest way to improve your appearance. It transforms your personality and boosts your self-esteem in ways you never thought possible. This is precisely why most people use whitening strips or turn to professional whitening treatments. They keep visiting the dentist now and then and end up spending a whole lot of cash, but do you know that you can have sparkling white teeth without visiting the dentist? Well, you can have a super gorgeous smile without spending a fortune on professional in-house whitening treatments. There are several natural whitening treatments that can improve the appearance of your teeth and make you feel great. There are home remedies. I'm pretty sure most of us have heard about the teeth cleaning properties of baking soda. Well, whatever you heard is right. You can use baking soda to make your teeth sparkle. Still, you have to do it in moderation to avoid enamel damage. Baking soda has a salty, alkaline taste. Its alkalinity helps eliminate tooth discoloration due to food and drink consumption, smoking, and the like. The easiest method to help whiten your teeth with baking soda is simply to mix about a tablespoon of baking soda, half a tablespoon of salt with about a tablespoon of water in a small bowl, roughly equal parts baking soda and water. You'll make a thick paste that you can apply to your teeth with your fingers or a soft bristled toothbrush. For best results, brush for about 2 minutes using circular motions and be sure to coat all of your teeth with the paste. Gently brush all around your mouth, hitting each tooth. Do not scrub too hard or use too much force. After 2 minutes, spit out the baking soda and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water or mouthwash. Rinse your toothbrush as well. For more intense whitening, substitute over-the-counter topical hydrogen peroxide for the water. The solution will bubble and fizz as the two ingredients combine. If you're using the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide method, keep the paste on your teeth for 1 minute before rinsing. Be careful not to swallow the paste.